Good morning, friends. Today we will discuss a problem on isometric projection of the combined solid. Those who are watching my video first time, please subscribe my channel. Share this video to your friends for latest updates. Let us see the problem. A sphere of diameter 30 mm rests on the frustum of a hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm, top face 18 mm side and height 50 mm such that their axes coincide. Draw the isometric projection of the combined solid. This is the given problem. So sphere is given, sphere is one of the solid, diameter is 30 mm. He is saying is resting on a frustum of hexagonal pyramid. For the base side is 30 mm and top face 18 mm and height for the frustum of a hexagonal pyramid is 50 mm, and is given the condition the axes of both the solids are coincide. That's the condition is given. So let us construct the frustum of hexagonal pyramid first and construct the sphere of diameter 30 mm. Let's see how to construct a frustum of hexagonal pyramid. Let us construct the base first, then I will show the construction of the top face of side 18 mm. So let us see the construction of frustum of hexagonal pyramid of base 30 mm. So I will construct the hexagon of side 30 mm, and also I will construct another hexagon of side 18 mm, and both the hexagon I will enclose in a square or rectangular box. That is the first step. So let's see how to construct an hexagon. So I'll construct a hexagon. One is 30 mm. Let's see how to construct an hexagon. 30 mm. Length is 30. Angle is 0. 30. 60 degree. This is 30. 60 into 2. This is 30 and 60 into 3. This is 30 and 60 into 4. 30 and 60 into 5. So I got hexagon of sides 30 mm. Similarly, let us construct another hexagon of side 18 mm. Somewhere here I will construct another hexagon of side 18 mm. 18 into angle is 0. 18 into angle is 60. Next 18 into angle is 60 into 2. Next 18 into angle is 60 into 3. And 18 into angle is 60 into 4. 18 is the length, angle is 60 into 5. I constructed two hexagon of side 30 mm and 18 mm. Now let us enclose this hexagon in a square box. So we'll go to a line. Let's choose thin line. So I zoom this area. Let's zoom this. So now I'm enclosed this in a square box by drawing horizontal and vertical lines. Let's draw horizontal and vertical lines like this. From here, draw vertical line. Okay. From here, draw vertical line. From here, draw vertical line. From here, draw horizontal line. From here, draw horizontal line like this. Now I enclose this in a square or rectangular box like this. Similarly for this also I will enclose in a square or rectangular box. Let's complete this. So I am enclosing in a square or rectangular box to get the hexagonal pyramid, frustum of hexagonal pyramid. Let's do by drawing horizontal and vertical line. Okay. I'll trim the extra lines. I don't want these extra lines. Let's trim it. Okay. Next I need some information from this sketch. I want this distance, this total distance I need, this is 60, okay, and also I need this distance, this length is 51.96, okay, and also I need this distance, this is 15, and also I need this distance, so this is 25.98. Similarly for this I need this distance, I'm getting 36. I need this and this vertical, horizontal, vertical distance, this is I am getting this much. I need this and this, I am getting 15.59, and I need this distance, so this is I am getting 9. So I need these data to construct pyramid, hexagonal pyramid, first one of hexagonal pyramid. So let's move on to the sketch. So now I'll construct this rectangular box or a square box at the beginning stage, then I'll mark these points. So let us go to line command, use thickness is 0.50. So now I'll construct the length is 60 and angle is 30 degree, okay. I constructed this. Next I want to construct this line. Length is 51.96, angle is 150 degree, okay. Next length is this 60 mm, this length is 60 mm, length is 60, angle is minus 150 degree, then length is and connect to the start point. Let's connect to the start point. So I constructed this square box. Let's make it thin line. Next I want to find these intersection points, so I'll go to arc by center. Let's go to arc by center. Arc by center, keep this is the center and this length is 15. So let's construct keep this the center and length is 15 and construct the arc like this. I got this point, okay, and the same way I'll go here and length is, radius is 15 mm. Let's construct the arc this. I got this and this. Now this one, I want to find this one, so I'll go to arc by center. This is 25.98. the radius is 25.98 is the radius. Press enter from your keyboard and construct this. I got this point. Next I want to find this and this, so these two are 15 mm from the corners, so I'll go to arc by center and radius is 15. Let's construct this. Similarly take this the center and radius is 15, and let's construct an arc like this. I got this point. Next I want to find this. This is from this point, this distance is 25.98. Pick this as center and radius is 25.98. Press center from your keyboard, you will get these points. Identify all the points like this. So next step is I'll join these points using line command. So we'll go to line and choose thickness 0.50. Just join these points. You will get an hexagon. This is the hexagon. Okay, I got the hexagon. This is the hexagon I constructed. Now next step is let's mark the axis. Let's mark the center for this. So I'm joining this and also I'll join just join these corners. You will get the center. From here draw an axis line. From here draw an axis line, vertical line, and height is given 50 mm. Let's make length is 50 and angle should be 90 degree. Let's construct like this. Okay, I constructed an axis. Now the next step is construct one more square for this. Construct hexagon for this profile and place it here. So I'll go to line command So let's take 20 thin lines. Let's zoom this area and we can do it later. So I'm constructing this. I go to line command. So length is 36, angle is 30 degree, length is 31.18 and angle is 150 degree. Okay, and length is 36, angle is minus 150 degree. Then connect to the start point. Let's connect to the start point. Now I'll go to arc by center, and this is the center, and radius is 9, and let's cut an arc like this. Similarly this is the center and radius is 9. Let's cut an arc like this. Then similarly this is the center, radius is this one, 15.59, and cut an arc like this. Similarly this is the center and radius is, this is 9, and cut an arc like this. Similarly this is the center and radius is 9. Let's cut an arc like this. And similarly this is the center and radius is this distance. This is the center, and radius line is this 15.59. Press enter and cut an arc like this. Now join all the points. You will get an hexagon. Like this. I'll go to line command and you choose a thicker line. I'm joining all the intersection point like this. Let's join like this. Okay, and next step is, let's find the center for this. I'll go to line, use a thin line. Let's find the center for this. This is the center, this is the center. Now the next step is select this complete profile and go to move command. Copy should be off. Select this center and place exactly at the end point of this axis line like this. Okay, let's zoom this, and now join the respective corners. Let's join all respective corners. I'll go to line command and use a thicker line. So join the respective corners, this and this, join this and this. Let's join these two, join this and this. Okay, join this and this, and join this and this, and join this and this. This is frustum of a hexagonal pyramid. Now trim the hidden edges. Let's trim all hidden edges. Not visible, I'm trimming this. Not visible, I'm trimming this. Not visible, I'm trimming this. Not visible, I am trimming this. This is also not visible, I am trimming this. Okay, so I got a hexagonal pyramid of base side 30 mm, top side 18 mm, and height is 50 mm, 50 mm. Okay, next another solid is sphere of diameter 30 mm. Since the die is 30 mm is given, let us mark the axis. So I am marking the axis. From here the length is diameter by 2, that is 15, and press enter from your keyboard. Okay, so I constructed axis. Now convert this solid into isometric scale, then construct a sphere using true diameter 30 mm. So let's see how to convert an iso scale. Go to select this solid, go to scale, copy should be off, scale factor is 0.8164, Then press enter from your keyboard and click anywhere on the screen. You will get isometric, you will get iso scale. Okay. Next step is, let us construct a sphere of diameter 30 mm. So let's zoom this. So I'm zooming this sphere of diameter 30 mm. Go to circle, and pick the endpoint of this, and diameter is 30 mm to length. You take true and press enter from your keyboard. Okay, this should be continuous line. Now remove the hidden edges. Not visible. This is not visible. Not visible. This is also not visible. Let's remove all hidden edges. Let's remove all hidden edges like this. So this is the isometric projection of the combined solid. This is the isometric projection of the combined solid. Thank you so much for watching my video.